Hi everyone, let me introduce to you my prototype, the giraffe. I upcycled a cardboard box into this colourful puzzle designed for children aged 3 to 4. This puzzle aims to teach children about shapes, colours, and of course practicing their fine motor skills. Children are able to manipulate these pieces and find the perfect slot for the pieces to fit in. When children are engaged in this activity, I will ask children questions on what shapes they are holding onto and what colours they can see. The puzzle also instills problem-solving skills as children go through trial and error to complete the puzzle. One of the challenges I faced while creating the prototype was the sharp edges of the cardboard that may hurt the children. Hence, I made sure to smoothen out the edges as much as possible. One unique thing about this material set is its endless possibilities. It can be a different animal, like monkeys, dogs, or rabbits, and can be made out of different shapes and sizes. We can even get children to create this puzzle together with us. Thank you.